Hi, I'm Karen Atkins, singer-songwriter and health educator. Today, we're going to try a movement called Turn the Body to Look at the Moon. This movement supports the spleen and the kidneys and also helps burn fat. The kidneys are vital because whether you know it or not, they store our qi or life force. The spleen is responsible for circulating nutrients to our muscles, so if it's strengthened, so are our muscles and tissues. Weak qi in muscles can lead to back pain and lumbar muscle strain. So if you have any kind of back discomfort, come try this with me. With this movement, we're going to start with the feet at a little bit wider than shoulder width apart for the horse riding stance. We're going to do what's called yin-yang palm. So the left hand's going to face up, right hand faces down, and they're always going to be opposite to each other the whole time. So then we're going to slowly look up to the left at the moon. The left hand's pointing up, right hand right about at the elbow, and twist and look up at the moon. And then we're going to bend the knees and turn the waist and turn the palms and slowly come back to center on the exhale. And then on the inhale, twisting up and looking at the moon from the other direction. And you're going to feel that left kidney tugging at you to pull you back to the center as you come down. And then twisting back up to look at the moon again. Oh, just feel that twist. Your kidneys are going to love you for doing this exercise. Coming back to center and then rising up to look at the moon. And each time you come back to the opposite direction, feeling your kidneys pulling at you to bring you back. And then when you finish about 6 times, you can close. Awesome job sticking with it to the end. It's the small, consistent things making you feel good every day that'll make a huge difference in the long run. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to be the first to get all my new videos. Thanks and see you soon.